Today, we're comparing two popular business intelligence tools, Looker and Power BI. These tools help businesses make sense of their data and derive valuable insights. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, and the choice often depends on your unique needs. Let's start with features. Power BI impresses with its natural language Q&A feature, real-time dashboard updates, and drag and drop functionality. Looker, on the other hand, boasts a highly customizable and flexible model that allows users to explore and share data. It also supports advanced analytics like predictive and big data analytics. Next, let's consider pricing. Power BI has a lower entry price point with a free version and a pro version at 9,000 nara per user per month. Looker doesn't offer a free version, and its pricing is custom, usually higher than Power BI. However, it may offer more value for large enterprises with complex needs. User experience is another important factor. Power BI has a more intuitive interface, making it easier for beginners to use. Looker, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve and may require some technical knowledge to fully utilize its features. In terms of integrations, both tools perform well. Power BI integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products, which is a plus for businesses already using Microsoft tools. Looker, however, supports a wider variety of data sources and integrates with numerous third-party apps. Performance is key in a business intelligence tool. Power BI is known for its speed, particularly with Microsoft data sources. Looker, while not as fast, offers more depth in analysis, especially with large and complex data sets. Security is crucial in any data-related tool. Both Looker and Power BI offer robust security features, including data encryption and user access controls. However, Power BI has the advantage of being integrated into the Microsoft Trusted Cloud. When it comes to support and scalability, both tools fare well. Power BI provides extensive documentation and a large user community. Looker offers dedicated support and its platform is highly scalable, accommodating growth in data volume and complexity. Based on our comparison, the winner is Power BI. It offers a more intuitive user experience, lower pricing, and superior performance with Microsoft data sources. However, Looker's flexibility, depth of analysis, and wider integrations make it a strong contender, especially for larger enterprises. Thank you for watching our comparison of Looker and Power BI. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos and other informative content. We appreciate your support.